Hi friends, welcome back to Ice Pony Videos. This last week it's been getting really hot here and we're all craving for a refreshing drink to enjoy. So I'm sharing another cold drink with y'all because like last time I did some lemonade which was really good, and now I'm doing strawberry Aqua Fresca, which is a kids-friendly drink with no sugar at all because we're using two really sweet fruits, strawberry and watermelon. We all love those, don't we? Let's see what our ingredients are. Here are the simple ingredients. Only 2 cups of watermelon, 1 cup of strawberries, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Super easy, am I right? The one and only step to this refreshing drink is mixing them. I'm going to use my wonderful Vitamix mixer because it even has a mode just for smoothie and drinks. So I'm going to put it on the smoothie and drinks mode and start it. Let's pour the drink to taste it. There we go. Let's taste. This is so sweet. I'm guessing because of the watermelon and strawberries. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I loved it. Don't forget to watch the next video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! I have 195 subscribers, so the next 5 subscribers get an Amazon gift card. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and put your email ID down below in the comments.